Hi everyone, I'm Lisa.
And I'm Jessica
from the Balanced Real Estate team in Prescott, Arizona. And in today's video, we'll look at a news article from Fast Company that talks about the 65 housing markets that have active inventory levels above 2019's pre-pandemic levels. And we have to tell you that the Prescott area is rarely talked about in any housing market articles, with the exception of several magazines touting Prescott as one of the best places to live. But this time, we're in the mix. If you want to stay up to date about everything Prescott has to offer and learn the ins and outs about buying in the Prescott area, then you should hit that subscribe button so you get notified every time we post a new video. Okay, let's get started.
Although home buyers and sellers continue to read headlines that it's a hot seller's market with national home prices in record highs, a close analysis shows that several regional markets have shifted, offering home buyers increased leverage. So let's take a look at this chart and check out these 65 housing markets that have increased inventory. During the pandemic housing boom, from summer 2020 to spring 2022, active home listings in most housing markets were almost non-existent, and buyer demand rapidly consumed almost every property that hit the market in record time. Here we are in early 2025, and housing markets where active inventory has returned to 2019 levels are now the ones where home buyers have gained some power. As of December 2024, national active inventory remained 16% below December 2019 levels. However, a growing number of regional markets have surpassed the benchmark. Among the nation's 200 largest metro area housing markets, 65 markets ended December 2024 with more active homes for sale than they had in pre-pandemic December 2019. These are the places heading into 2025 where home buyers will be able to find the most leverage or market balance.
Many of the softest housing markets where home buyers have gained leverage are located in Gulf Coast and Mountain West regions. These areas were home to many of the nation's top pandemic boomtowns, which experienced significant home price growth during the pandemic housing boom, which stretched housing prices far beyond local income levels. When relocation due to the pandemic started to slow down and mortgage rates spiked, markets like Punta Gorda, Florida, and Austin, Texas faced challenges as they had to rely on local incomes to sustain the high home prices. The softening housing market in these areas was accelerated by the large quantity of new home supply in the Sunbelt's pipeline. If we look at this chart again, here is the Prescott area with active inventory in December 2020 at 521, and then in December 2021, active inventory was 488. And to be honest, we remember looking at these active inventory during that time and seeing less than 250 homes on the market, and we knew we were in trouble.
Builders in the Sunbelt regions were willing to reduce prices and make other affordability adjustments to maintain sales. These adjustments in the new construction market also created a cooling effect on the resale market, as some buyers who may have opted for an existing home shifted their focus to new homes, where deals were still available. In comparison, many Northeast and Midwest markets were less reliant on pandemic migration and had less new home construction in progress. With lower exposure to that demand shock, active inventory in these Midwest and Northeast regions has remained relatively tight, keeping the advantage in the hands of home sellers instead of home builders.
Generally speaking, housing markets where active inventory numbers have returned to pre-pandemic levels have experienced weaker home price growth or sometimes even declines over the past 24 months. On the other hand, housing markets where inventory still remains far below pre-pandemic levels have generally experienced stronger home price growth over the past 24 months.
Well, if you got anything out of this video, we'd love for you to comment below. Check out our website, PrescottRealEstateandLiving.com, to search for your Prescott home or get your Prescott area home's approximate value.
And remember to subscribe to our channel for new videos every week. We post home tours, neighborhood tours, buyer and seller tips and tricks, real estate sales stats, the best things to do in Prescott, and much more. We also have free relocation packages we can email to you. We have buyer and seller guides as well, so feel free to reach out. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.